ma'am. Hello, sir. Good day. My name is Sarah Jean Jose Nicolas, 30 years of age, single mother of 11 years old son from Santiago City, Philippines. I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, Singapore for 2 years, and recently in Hong Kong for 2 years with two employers. I love cooking. I know how to cook simple Chinese dishes. I work with a Chinese family, including mom and sir and their three children. I do the household chores, including the marketing, ironing, cooking, and taking care of their children. I am patient, trustworthy, hardworking, and honest, and I'm willing to learn more. I prepared to take care of a newborn, a toddler, or even a pet. I hope you can choose me as your helper. My motto in life is success is not achieved in a blink of an eye. Success needs a lot of sacrifice, hard work, and strong determination. Thank you so much.